Hi, welcome to our masterclass. Today's topic will be about spraying the plants. And of course, spraying the plants is a negative action to do. Sometimes we have to do it. But spraying the plants makes them wet, and it means the plant gets cold. Calcium is a feeding element which must be transported by the water flow. That means by the transpiration. No transpiration, no calcium, and these plants become very vulnerable, but in the future, not today. So it's better not to spray the plants. Nevertheless, there are circumstances that you have to do it. For example, after transplanting your cutting, I have to spray for 3-5 days the plants to make sure it can make new roots. And after these 3 till 5 days, when the plants are looking in that position again, don't spray anymore. Unless you have some problems with diseases or plagues. And now the moment of spraying and the amount you spray on top of the plant becomes very important. So when you have to decide to spray, it's very important that you know in which phase the plant is. In vegetative phase, we want to have a high humidity. That means it's better to spray in the evening or when the lights are out. So the beginning of the plant night. Never spray when the lights are on or when the sun is shining, because every drop of water is working like a lens, and that will harm the leaves. But when you are in the generative phase, generative 1 and 2, it's better to keep the humidity low. So when you spray, you want that it dries up as fast as possible. That means you have to spray in the morning hours or just before the lights turn on. And in that way, you do spray the product you want to spray, but the plants are dried up fast enough so they don't create another problem, which is called botrytis or rot. The second thing, which is very important, is how do I spray? And that depends on the chemical you are using. You have chemicals which is a contact spray, that means you have to hit whatever it is, and sometimes it's systemic. If it's contact, it's always important to spray from above and below, because you have to hit the insect or the disease. If it's systemic, you can spray over the plant, because after absorption the product is working. Although many sprays are chemical because they work quite good, you also have more mild products to solve the problem. For example, we have CANNA Cure. And CANNA Cure is a mild product, but contact. That means we have to spray from above and from below. This product is 100% natural, will not leave any toxic elements behind. That means you can eat your product afterwards without anything in it. And that makes this product so beautiful. Nevertheless, spraying plants, if it's not necessary, don't do it. But sometimes you have to do it. My name is Pieter, Grow Consultants of CANNA. See you in the next video.